So hello everyone and welcome to today's session. My name is Matthias Jakimowski, Managing Director and Founder at Sinapi. Last month, we became partners with RWS, so we thought to start Sinapi Talks with one of our favorite CMS and an old-time friend, WorldServer. I'm joined by today's presenter, Daniel Campos, Director of Technology and Founder at Sinapi.
Thank you, Matthias, for your kind introduction, and welcome everybody to our first webinar in this newly created section here at Sinapi that we have called Sinapi Talks. Today, I will present the latest updates in RWS WorldServer 11.7. So I'm very excited to start reviewing this powerful tool and showing you all these latest updates. Let's jump into it.